What's up, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with ZoomX, who are offering a 20% cashback on sign up and deposit on their platform. Deposit $100 and get $20 back just for signing up. Absolutely incredible deal. Make sure to take advantage below, along with our other exchange partnerships. Let's get into the video. So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Do drop a like, subscribe and all that good stuff. As we can see then, hourly time frame heading down in this local area. We did see this bounce off of the lows with Bitcoin bouncing back to the upside. Bitcoin now back at all-time highs. Meanwhile, Veracity, Vechain and everything else that we look at on the channel is all still completely destroyed. Altcoins in general looking very, very bad, to be honest. You can see we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside for Vechain, and then we fully retrace the move, just like we have been all cycle. We fully retrace the Trump pump. Bitcoin gets the bounce all the way back to its all-time high. Meanwhile, Vechain can only manage a bounce from 1.7 cents to 3.3 cents, a 2x before fully retracing that move again down to the low, as you can see. And right now we're basically just going sideways on our hourly time frame here. You can see we've come down, tried to tap into this low here, and we've bounced up, going sideways here. Probably going to come down and sweep this low at this point. It seems inevitable that we hit it, considering how bearish we have been over the past month or so. And right now, things not looking too good. The 4 hour, as we can see here, pretty similar story, but you can see it in more detail. The Trump pump, the full retracement, liquidity grab below, dead cat bounce back to the lows. Looking very, very bearish here for altcoins in general. So many altcoins across the market are looking the same as this. This is nothing to do with Vechain specifically. This is just to do with there being basically no liquidity in the market for rotation into altcoins right now, or people are not rotating into altcoins for whatever reason. Everyone's buying Bitcoin, or they're buying pump and dump scams on pump.fun and other platforms like that, which I think have sucked a ton of liquidity out of the market, if I'm being completely honest. And a lot of people are very wary now of the cryptocurrency market because of all the pump and dump scams that we've seen in this cycle. Solana was especially bad for it a few years ago. Solana itself did pretty well off the back of it, but that's even now struggling in the recent market conditions. It's basically just going sideways. If you look at what Solana's been doing, you can see on the daily time frame, obviously during this period here, this was where all the pump and dumping was happening really last year, at the start of last year, and then since then really we've only seen sideways as all that liquidity in the market is slowly being sucked out of everyone's pockets. And you can see now Vechain on the daily time frame, we're basically just looking like we had the Trump pump, retrace, dead cat bounce, retrace, no ability to get any kind of momentum to the upside. We were looking like we were starting to get this nice potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the all-time highs, but as you can see, after fully retracing this move here, really we're just looking pretty dead in the water at the minute. The weekly time frame giving us much the same vibe. You can see the previous cycle with this nice range liquidity sweep below, break, retest, and then bull market. For this one here, we got formed a bit of a range. We got a liquidity sweep below, we got the break, but we actually retested back into the range here rather than just testing the top of the range like in the previous cycle. Then we got this small, fairly small move to the upside where we did make a higher high, but then you can see looking like we're coming back down, trickling back down into a bearish kind of movement in the market right now. The monthly time frame here right now looking pretty poor as well. You can see pretty clearly on the charts here, we didn't even get up to the 618 Fibonacci in this bull market so far. Right now we could be accumulating for the most colossal pump you'll ever seen for altcoins, but more likely or not, we're just going to be going sideways for the next year or two until Bitcoin figures out if it wants to allow altcoins to have a move. Right now things looking pretty bad. Let's see if we can get any kind of momentum to the upside for altcoins soon. Joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for ZoomX to get your 20% bonus, and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks a lot for watching.